Hey, James Pelton here. I have a lot of stuff on my plate. I have my hands doing a lot of stuff. I'm doing apps, doing videos, doing crypto. I've got real life stuff that I'm working through. Got church stuff that I'm doing. So I like to utilize AI as much as possible for it to take as much off my plate as it possibly can. So one thing I'm going to just test out AI-wise, and I'm going to show you guys. You let me know what you think about this. I ran across Akool, which is a company that focuses a lot on AI video stuff. So what I'm going to do here today is I'm going to make an AI version of myself, see how good it looks, and see if I could use that to potentially make videos. Basically an AI digital twin. And maybe, who knows, maybe my next video will be AI generated. Maybe this is AI generated. How would you know? So let's start by just creating this avatar, and then we'll talk about what we could potentially do with it. So I'm going to do a talking avatar. I'm going to create a new one. They have these different quality of avatars. So you can use this in the AI generated one. And that's going to be the worst, but it's also the cheapest. There's one that's the fastest. I'm going to do this premium quality one, this studio avatar. So first it wants to record just my face. I got to get my face in the oval here. It's mirrored, so that's kind of difficult. Make it so I can sit up more. Let's start recording speech. Life is a gift. Every day we wake up is a chance to begin again. The sun rises, the air is fresh, and the world is full of small wonders. Sometimes we forget how lucky we are just to be alive. This is inspiring. Think about the little things. A smile from a friend, the sound of birds in the morning, a walk in the park, the taste of warm food, the laughter of someone you love. These are not big things, but they make life beautiful. It's a little cheesy too. Even when life is hard, there is still something good. A helping hand, a kind word, a quiet moment to breathe. These moments remind us that life is not perfect, but it is still precious. We all have problems. We all feel sad sometimes. But life is not only made of sad days. Life is also made of hope, of dreams, and of love. It is made of chances to grow, to learn, and to try again. We do not know how long we will live. That is why we must enjoy today. Say thank you more. Say I love you more. Look at the sky. Feel the wind. Listen to your heart. Be kind. Be brave. Be you. Life is not always easy, but it is always worth it. So let's celebrate it. Let's be grateful for each breath, each step, each heartbeat. Because to live even for one more day is a beautiful thing. Okay, so that was kind of long. So they're just basically getting your face, your gestures, your voice. A little cheesy what I had to read there. I'm going to go ahead and upload this now. Oh boy, that's going to take a while. Okay, I'm going to name the avatar James Pelton. Okay, your studio avatar is being created and will be processed under 24 hours. So now I'm going to just wait till that's done, and we will continue getting that set up. Okay, so I think it took about 16 hours for the talking avatar to be created. So it is right here. It just notifies you when you're done. You don't have to sit there and wait. It'll shoot you an email. So let's go ahead and select this avatar, and then I could make myself sound like a lively lady. That would be entertaining. But let's go ahead and use the voice that I created also. So this is a video now with my face, my voice, AI generated. Let's do, hey, this is Crypto Jimbo. This video is about Ethereum and how its price is skyrocketing. Let's preview the audio.
Hey, this is Carpito Jimbo. This video is about Ethereum and how its price is skyrocketing.
Crypto. Oh yeah, I misspelled it. Okay, Crypto Jimbo. This video is about Ethereum, how its price is skyrocketing. I hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe. Okay, and let's generate that video. It's gonna save me a lot of time. If I can do my videos without me having to do my videos, whew, it's a game changer. All right, let's see how it did.
Hey, this is Crypto Jimbo. This video is about Ethereum and how its price is skyrocketing. I hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe. Hey, this is
okay, so the audio is very good. The eyes are actually pretty good. The lip sync is very good. There's something weird going on with my neck. I think I probably should not have done a white shirt. That probably confuses. Maybe I'll do another one with a blue shirt or something like that. That's why they use green screens and not white screens, because it meshes with my skin. Especially being a redhead. A little whiter than the AI might be used to, but that's not bad. So obviously we're not quite to the point where this could actually fool someone into thinking this is me. There's a bit more to go, but considering this is like brand new technology, I think it's come pretty far. And I think that the future, it's going to be very hard to tell what's real, what's AI generated. Okay, so now for my passive apps program. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a YouTube short, and I'm going to go ahead and upload it using just this. So I'm going to go into ChatGPT. ChatGPT 5 is out now, so amazing. I'm actually going to use the Shorts and Reels assistant and write me a script for a YouTube short featuring Akool.com. And then I'm going to just paste what it's about for ChatGPT. This is going to be an AI generated video. So mention that it was made with Akool. It is not perfect, but it is cool to see the technology growing. Make it kind of funny. It's not quite to the point where it can be serious yet. Let's just see what it comes up with from that. Check it. Add to the script. Check out the full video to see me making the video. And that will be a link to this video. I don't want it to seem like, obviously they're going to be able to tell it's AI. So they will be able to tell it is AI. So kind of make a joke about that. Okay, let's just see what this does. Generate. That cost me 25 credits. Oh no. I did the lady's voice. Well, that's still kind of entertaining.
My random face into a talking avatar, gave me a voice I don't even own, and lip synced my nonsense perfectly, well, almost perfectly. At one point I asked for live translation, and it made me speak fluent French about cheese. It's not perfect, but watching AI try to be human is honestly the funniest part. Check out the full video to see me actually making the video.
Okay, I accidentally did lively lady. Let's do Jimmy's voice and try again. Shoot, another 25 credits. Okay, let's see if this is any better.
What if I told you this entire video was made by AI? You'd probably say, yeah, we can tell. And you're not wrong. No film crew, no fancy cameras, just me, Akool.com, and way too much coffee. Akool turned my random face into a talking avatar, gave me a voice I don't even own, and lip-synced my nonsense perfectly. Well, almost perfectly. At one point I asked for live translation, and it made me speak fluent French about cheese. It's not perfect, but watching AI try to be human is honestly the funniest part. Check out the full video to see me actually making the video. What if I told you
Okay.
the entire video?
All right, there you go. YouTube short. So I think for next video, I might try another avatar with a different shirt, see if that helps the neck issue. What can I do with the AI video editor? Can I do anything with that? Oh, cool. So I will download that and I will make it a YouTube short pointing to this video. So again, not perfect. I'm going to do some more videos about Akool. You can use their API and you don't even have to use their interface. So I think in my next video, I'm going to highlight their API and using Claude Code to access their API. So let me know what you think about this AI content. I think it's pretty cool. I'm excited about my brain. You know, I have this business where my brain just goes to, okay, how could you use this to start different businesses? And a lot of stuff comes to mind. Let me know in the comments what you think. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate you letting me check out cool stuff like this. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.